Welcome to another episode of Breaking Bank. And I want to do a question. I'm going to see if the screenshot works as I do this video. This is a question that came in. Hey, Jack, it's me. I just got an EIN for my online business. Can I get a loan with my new EIN? Because my current credit score isn't good enough. Hear back from me shortly, as I always do. Thanks. Okay. Good question. Channing. Here we go. So, okay, you got to get a trust. We have, first of all, this video, Breaking Bank, is sponsored by Liberty Aid, where you can get the information you need to do what I'm going to talk about right here. Okay, there's a corporate credit building package and there's a trust package. Those two work together. Okay, get the trust, you open it, and excuse me, then you get the corporate, or I get them at the same time if you're really gonna build credit with us, but that way you won't make any errors with the address and so on. You can change it. That's what I ended up doing, so it is fixable. Afterwards, it's just, anyway, I'm going to show you a few things here. Not that. First of all, there's NAV, which is a service here that you can get on to get both your personal and your business credit and the reports. See, and it's good. Hey, my person's credit score is horrible, which you can see right here. See, but the credit score with Christian Ministries Trust is doing great, and this actually changed way better since the last report on 11/29. I've been straightening out a few things. You definitely got to register at Secretary of State this trust, so that was the hold up with a lot of my stuff. I was just seeing if I could get around that, and I couldn't. So very few people know to do that, and I was trying to do it without it, knowing that it might, take more time, which it did. It took a lot more time, and I had to go back and fix it. So I'd get the trust and get the information on how to build corporate credit together if I were you, anyone who's watching this. Okay, here's Dun & Bradstreet. This is a number you have to get, so they track all business credit information. Not all vendors report. Basically, business credit is different than personal credit in that business credit reports the payment experiences you have, not just like credit lines sitting there. It's how active you are, what you're doing, and so on. So you need a Dun & Bradstreet number to track it, and Dun & Bradstreet is a free credit reporting service. All of them are. They just want to charge you a lot. Look at this. Wow. Credit builder, you don't need that. And it's very expensive, almost $2,000 a year. You just don't need it. And this is proof. See, this is the free service they have called Credit Signal. Yeah, Credit Signal. See right here, Credit Signal. And this is Christian Ministries Trust. That's its profile and so on. And you can see it improved. These things improved too on these dates. New inquiry. Okay, so this is a free service, so you get limited information. What is this? The viability rate. See, here's the thing that pops up like, oh, you want more information? You got to pay. No, thank you. And I call, but you can call. Like, I was like, oh, what is this? You know what I mean? And so I called them and found out, improvements happen with the information and so on that I've been doing. Okay, this was, remember over here, and Experian was 36, which is kind of low score. It wasn't fully reporting, but let's go see it now, today. This is, oh, come on now. This is today's. You can see the date here, 12/8. Christian Ministries Trust, a business credit advantage. This is Experian. You can get, this is Experian basically for, I think it's quarterly. Maybe it's quarterly. It's like $75, something like that. I don't, no. It's about $150 for the year, something like that. Pretty reasonable. and they update. You can update this every day, which is nice. Um, so anyway, remember it was. Let me show you on the nav. Like last month, it was a 36 out of 100. Excuse me, it's a 78 out of 100 now. So everything's reporting right. I figured it all out. Got a couple of accounts haven't reported yet, but everything is reporting. It's just it's funny, they wiped it clean. I've had a few months for Christian Ministries Trust where it's been working, but somehow it wiped the info clean. It's just weird. They never heard of it. Anyway, so this is reporting basically, how things go. Now everything's reporting correctly. It's at the Secretary of State correctly. They don't give the name of the business. They say it was, the industry, and then your account number. So you can go look it up. Oh, I paid. See, it's not fully reporting every piece of information. I'm thinking it just seems to get better in every month, and it's almost completely there with this fully reporting. So, see, that's improved really great. Let's see what else we have here. More proof. So just placed an order on Amazon Business, and let's see, how can I get into this? Oh, okay. The account for Christian Ministries Trust. The account. See, Christian Ministries Trust. And let's see. Manage your business. Oh, I don't know. What's up here? Okay, there should be. Anyway, they approved this credit line for $5,000. I'm trying to pull out the amount. Oh boy. Where is it? I've shown that in a lot of videos, but not on YouTube. Let's see. Isn't this great? There's a like even better than Amazon. It's so great. Payment option. My bad. Here we go. See, here we go. Credit line. Paid in full credit line. Here it is. See? My bad. Okay, so there it is. Christian Ministries Trust. I'm going to go over here. Synchrony Bank does it. And, here. Synchrony Bank does it. Is the one that issues the credit for Amazon. And see, here it is right here. So, you see? This is where you pay and so on the Amazon credit. And you can see right here. That's the current credit line right there. That's the amount owed. So, you begin using these things and they report. You see? And this is with no personal liability, right? Here's another one for Lowe's. And again, $1,800 Christian Ministries Trust. Okay? So, anyway, I could go on, but I'm not going to give away it all in this short video. So, you can build credit. This is without personal liability for a trust. This is proof. Okay? And anyone can do it. Great question. I hope that helped a lot.